If you're wondering how to sell managed IT services using Vendasta, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end because we're going to break down how you can leverage Vendasta to sell effectively and scale your IT services in a way that's streamlined and powerful. First off, let's talk about Vendasta. It's a robust platform designed to help businesses like yours sell digital services like managed IT services. Whether you're looking to reach small businesses or larger enterprises, Vendasta's tools can make this process easier and more efficient, allowing you to manage everything from lead generation to service delivery. Now, you can start using Vendasta completely free with an exclusive bonus. Check out the first link below for details on how to get started with a free trial and get some additional perks only available through this video. The first thing you want to understand is how Vendasta simplifies your service offerings. It's not just about selling a service, it's about providing value, and Vendasta does this with a huge marketplace of white label solutions. That means you can offer managed IT services without worrying about the backend. You can use their pre-built solutions, brand them as your own, and provide your clients with the tools they need without the hassle of building or managing everything yourself. Next, let's talk about client acquisition. Vendasta has a built-in CRM and marketing tools that automate your outreach and lead nurturing. This makes it so much easier to convert prospects into paying clients. With Vendasta, you can track interactions, send targeted emails, and even run campaigns, all from one platform. This is crucial when you're selling managed IT services, as consistency and communication are key to closing deals. The third thing to consider is the platform's reporting capabilities. Once you land clients, managing their accounts and providing transparent reporting can set you apart. Vendasta gives you access to detailed reports on the services your clients are using, the performance of those services, and more. This not only helps with client retention, but also builds trust. A client that sees detailed, actionable data on how their IT services are performing is much more likely to stay with you long term. Next, let's discuss integrations. Managed IT services often involve multiple systems and tools, and Vendasta integrates with various third-party platforms, making it a seamless experience. You don't have to worry about compatibility issues or missing out on key features from other tools you use. Vendasta connects the dots, allowing you to manage everything in one place. The fifth thing to note is scalability. As you start acquiring more clients, Vendasta grows with you. Whether you're handling a handful of clients or hundreds, the platform's infrastructure supports that growth. It allows you to streamline operations and focus more on what you do best, delivering top-tier managed IT services. By the end of this video, you'll see how Vendasta isn't just another software, it's an all-in-one solution for selling managed IT services effectively. If you want to get started, remember that you can sign up for Vendasta's exclusive and extended free trial using the first link below. With this trial, you'll get access to the same powerful tools that can transform the way you sell IT services. So, to recap, Vendasta makes it simple to sell managed IT services, automate marketing and outreach, provide detailed reporting, integrate with other tools, and scale as your business grows. It's a complete solution that can save you time, increase your sales, and improve client retention. If you found this helpful, go ahead and sign up for your exclusive free trial through the link below, and let's get your business moving with Vendasta.